My name is Denise Garofalo, a librarian at Mount St. Mary College, and welcome to the tutorial, How Do I Cite Resources Using APA 7th Edition? In this tutorial, the main differences in 7th Edition APA will be pointed out. Basics of 7th Edition citations will be covered, along with why you should be cautious using the citation function in library databases. And examples of citations for various resources will be shared. So what's new in the 7th edition? APA citation style originated in 1929 when a group of psychologists, anthropologists, and business managers met to establish a simple set of procedures or style rules that would codify the many components of scientific writing to increase the ease of reading comprehension. APA style consists of rules or guidelines that a publisher or writer observes to ensure clear and consistent presentation of written material. One major change with the 7th edition involves specific style formats for student papers, as opposed to faculty or professional papers to be submitted for publication. Student papers no longer require a running head, an author note, or an abstract. The title page of a student paper should include the title of the paper, the name of each author of the paper, the affiliation for each author, the course number and name, the instructor name, the assignment due date, and the page number. This is a comparison chart of major differences between the previous 6th edition and the current 7th edition. With 7th edition, you have a wider choice of fonts to use, and some rules on citing resources with many authors have been simplified. Now to the basics of citing with 7th edition APA style. The 7th edition contains many more examples of citations, so make sure you check them all out. You no longer need to have retrieved from before the URL of online resources. Journal DOIs, digital object identifiers, have a new format, and the publisher location is no longer required. Remember to use database citation functions with caution. Most library databases have a citation function, which provides you with a computer-generated citation. The majority of the data elements are correct, but the capitalization and punctuation may have issues. If you use these, please note that you need to proofread them so you don't lose points for incorrectly formatted citations. Here is an example of a citation from a library database. The first red box contains a little buyer beware type warning. The second red box is the citation from the database. It is mostly correct. The correctly formatted citation is at the bottom of the slide. Now for some examples of citations in 7th edition APA citation style format. Here is a journal article citation. The various components that make up the citation are color-coded, with some details on what to pay attention to when creating a journal article citation. Here is a template and an example for a web page citation. Note that you are no longer required to use retrieved from when you cite a web page. Just give the URL. This slide has an example of a book citation. The location information is no longer included in 7th edition, just the publisher's name. If you need more assistance, try the Nursing Research Guide section on APA citation style. And although I am no APA expert, you can always contact me with questions. Thanks for viewing this tutorial.